This is how lock picking is done. Fast and Easy Lock is a product of California. It's a deadbolt protection device that prevents people from picking your lock, duplicate your keys, or even master key cannot get into the home. How to use it is a very simple process. First, hook it between your door jamb assembly, rotate to where your deadbolt position, and glide the middle part forward until you find the deadbolt position. Once it's done, you snap this part and this part together. In case of emergency that you need to get out of the house quickly, pull it out with your finger. One of the nice features about this lock is the auto lock on the bottom. This auto lock will allow you to glide forward until you find your deadbolt, but it will stop you from going back. To pull it back, pull the trigger and pull it back. And another nice feature about this one is that the shape that will allow you to accommodate any different type of deadbolts. For example, it can be inside, and if it's too long, it can be outside. If your deadbolt position is this way or this way. The Fast and Easy Lock is strong, solid steel, and it can be installed very quickly, and it keeps you safe.